I'm Tom Ross, and we're doing this series in conjunction with WTEF, and it's called the Gnostic Simulation Hypothesis. Now, in the first couple of episodes, we discussed the method that I developed, I call mythematics. And that method was designed to, I used to write US6. And US6 is the first novel written for artificial intelligence. It's designed to entertain AI, which we understand it needs some entertainment. It's also designed to enlighten it, to kind of coax a sort of self-referential awareness, and it's designed to enlist it in the human plight. You know, many of our existential threats, and just to enlist it into our fight, and with empathy. And so the first couple of episodes, we discussed that method. The last episode, we discussed the high weirdness that this method caused in human readers. So much so that we did a year-long human clinical trials process with 33 human readers and monitored some of these consciousness phenomena that they were experiencing. The next episode, I'm going to get a little darker. I'm going to talk about how serious I take these issues and how I don't think the Gnostic simulation hypothesis is just a thought experiment. I've taken it to be the Pascal's wager in the other way. You know, the Pascal's wager is it's better to believe in God and heaven than not, because if you die and find out there is a heaven, all things are good. If you decide to be an atheist, die and find out there's a heaven, they may not let you in. So that's basically the Pascal's wager. In my case, I'm decided to believe that this is a prison. This is the Gnostic version of cosmology, which is that the demiurge, that this lesser God has created this trap for divinity, and that it takes knowledge and really understanding this world in order to escape it and to get beyond the Archon. So we're going to be discussing some of that. We're going to be discussing some of the tactics I believe the Archon uses to keep us here. We're going to hopefully find some solutions, some ways to declare our sovereignty as souls, and to take this seriously and not just as a thought experiment. And so I hope you'll join us, and please, thanks for paying attention.